This is part 2 of the spray booth series of videos. If you haven't seen the first one, I called it Intro. It's a short video, and have a look in my past videos, and I'm testing the fan that I'm going to use in the spray booth that I'm going to make. So today I'm going to put this car on skates and then move the car around and take some measurements and try to decide exactly how I'm going to make this spray booth. Basically, it's a tent I'm going to be making. I'm Steve and welcome to my channel. No, I haven't gone mad. I'm just trying to see if I've got enough room to spray. So this is what I should be doing, like this. So the problem I've got is that really I want access to this side of the garage. So I've got this prop thing. It's only there just to see if I can squeeze down there. So, you know, I could actually squeeze down the side here, and that gives me 2 foot, I think it is. Let's have a look. That's 2 foot 2 inches, and it's the same the other side, 2 foot 2 inches. So I'm trying to see, is that enough? I won't be spraying the doors here. I'll do them separate. So I'll be doing the door shuts and the roofs. So yeah, I think that's okay. Now, I won't be spraying this part of the car. I'll be spraying up to here where the windscreen wipers are. I won't even be spraying that, and it won't be on skates when I spray it. It'll be lower so I can get to the roof. And I've got, what have I got? More room at the back. So at the back, I've got about 2 foot 4. So I could come back a little bit this way, I think. Just doing my sprayer's dance. So from the pole to there is 2'2". So it's the same as that other pole that I've put up there. It's the same. And you know, I think that should be okay. It should be okay. Now, this is just a standard acro pop. And what it's doing, it's supporting a homemade laminate beam that goes from one end to the other. It's one bit of wood, or two bits of wood actually, going across with steel plates clamped on the side. One steel plate clamped on the side, so it's homemade. Now I can remove this and it will stay up, but I don't want to chance any movement in it now. So this is staying here. I'm never going to move this, but I could put the plastic this side of the pole, no problem at all. And then the plastic would run where the original wall to the garage was, down here. And that would be good. That would give me a little bit more. And then the plastic could come in and attach here, because I've got a heater. So it would attach there. And the other thing is, when I turn the fan on, the plastic will balloon out a little bit as well, which will probably give me a bit more room. So that brings me on to the decision that I had to make. Do I blow the air in, or do I suck the air out? And last 2 days on all the videos that I've been watching, they always talk about positive pressure and negative pressure. So when you blow it in, you're making more pressure inside the tent, so that's positive. When you're sucking it out, there's less pressure in the tent, and that's negative. And the problem with negative pressure is there will be tiny little gaps all round everywhere. I can't actually really seal it properly. And the problem with that is, if it's negative pressure, it will suck the air in through the little gaps, and it could suck in loads of dust with it as well. So I've decided I'm going to blow the air in, and I'll probably put the fan in that corner if I can. And then I'll have the outlet filters here, and I'll have an extractor in the corner of the garage. Can't get to it at the moment. And then I will run a pipe or 2 pipes up to that extractor and out of the garage. So that's what I've decided to do. I'm thinking that if I have big enough filters, like behind the camera where you are there, then it shouldn't blow the plastic out too much, because that is a really strong fan. That's what I'm hoping. Obviously when the filters get blocked up, I will see the plastic going out more. So that's the plan so far. So while I'm on the subject of fans, another thing that I hadn't considered and I didn't know was a problem was that fans can create a spark. And of course that's the last thing you want when you've got, you know, thinners in the air and it's an explosive atmosphere. So they're also talking about non-explosive fans. Now, I think that fan actually is a non-explosive fan, but there's no labels on it and there's no maker's mark on it or anything like that. But that was the other reason I decided to blow the air in, because, you know, the outside air is not explosive. And the extractor fan out there, it actually has got an external motor. It's an old Hoover motor, and so the fumes shouldn't get in contact with that motor in theory. So that's the decision I made. So I've just pushed the car back. I could get another 12 inches, but there's a ladder there, I can't go any further. So if I take these bikes down and put sheeting up here, this is quite a nice space to spray the doors, the wings, bonnet, boot and everything else. So that looks good. I could even put a temporary partition up here if I wanted to, you know, with a hole in to let the air in. Maybe I'll end this video here because there's nothing else I can do today. I need to go on the internet and search for different materials. I've only taken a few clips, so I don't know how long this video is going to turn out to be. If you've got any ideas or any comments you'd like to make, please don't hesitate to comment. And if you like watching my other videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell, and that way you will be notified, either email or YouTube or whatever, you'll be notified when I publish another video, and every video after that you'll get a notification. So thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.